Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking down prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. First, validate demand, talk to 3 buyers and confirm specs, minimum order quantity, and target price. Then secure funding, aim for $50,000 to $150,000 or lease equipment to lower upfront cost. Next, select a facility with power, ventilation, and zoning, submit permit forms. While waiting, place deposit on an extruder and braid line. This keeps momentum. Once ordered, hire a production lead to prepare SOPs and supplier contracts. Once equipment arrives, you install and commission machines step by step, making sure to run calibration and break-in cycles. This avoids scrap. Simultaneously finalize supply contracts for copper, insulation compounds, shielding foil and connectors, and order QC reference samples. Train operators on changeover, die settings, speed curves, and safety. Build a maintenance calendar and standard operating procedures so the line runs consistently. Finally, run pilot batches, measure attenuation, impedance, and tensile strength, then iterate on process parameters until specs are met. To complete the setup, scale systematically. Increase run length, optimize yields, and reduce scrap below 5% while expanding shifts. Build a sales funnel with sample kits, technical data sheets, and pursue certifications required by customers. Negotiate pricing tiers and MOQ with distributors and OEM. Make sure to implement batch traceability and continuous improvement meetings. If things go wrong, start with a root cause check. Measure impedance and return loss, inspect extrusion for voids, verify braid tension and connector crimping. Then adjust process parameters or replace tooling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.